Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Hollywood. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I transform my hair into a beautiful sleek hair ponytail. Oh yeah! So the first thing I'm going to do is to wet my hair, then I comb it. Then you want to comb it very well so that you can have the sleek ponytail. The next thing I'm going to do now is to partition the hair. I will be doing a side parting hair ponytail. Yes, so I try to get the line out, then I try to comb the hair again to get that sleek ponytail. Yes, you want to make sure that you comb it down very well. And the next thing I'm going to do now, after partitioning this hair, is to use a black rubber band to hold the side. Yeah, so I will be using the black rubber band to hold the side. Yes, and this is exactly what I'm doing now. Then after I am done, I will be doing the same thing to the other side. Then you want to comb the hair down very well to make sure that you get the sleek hair ponytail that you're looking for. Then now I will be using the black rubber band to bond this other side. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to bond the two sides together to have the sleek ponytail and comb it down. Then I will be weaving the tip of the two side together. Then I will use another rubber band to hold it together down, and this is done. Yeah, so the next thing I'll be using this Lush hair extension, and I'm just wrapping around it the hair band. Then I'm just trying to roll this around my hair. Then I will be tucking in my hair into the hair extension so that this is not visible. Yeah, you want to tuck this down very well. Then I'll be using another layer of the hair extension. I wrap this around the hair, and I will be using needle and thread to sew this into my hair. And this is what I'm doing now. You want to be careful so that you don't pinch yourself with a needle. So now this is done. Then I comb the hair with a hairbrush, and the next thing I will be doing now is to add the 100% aloe vera gel. You can actually use this as a form of alternative for other styling gel that can break your hair. This 100% aloe vera gel will not break your hair, and it will also help your scalp and grow your hair. Yeah, so I just applied this, and now I'm trying to make sure I get a sleek hair ponytail, and this is done. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to blow this with my hair dryer just to give it this wow look. And I will be adding the baby oil to the hair extension to have this glow. Then I brush it down, and this is almost ready. And the sleek hair ponytail, it is ready. Oh yeah, this actually took me less than 35 minutes to get it done. Try this hairstyle and let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia Ho. I love you so much. Bye for now.